These are the chairs in the subway line.
Jackie didn't do anymore.
Now you got 4 seats.
Huh?
Now you got 4 seats.
Yeah, this is for when you want to be social. And then when you're in your anti-social mood, just turn it up. And we're by ourselves.
No one on this train except those 2. Why aren't we moving?
And to think, we never would have figured it out unless for that drunk dude right over there. Right over there. Yeah.
What a bitch. These are priority seats too.
So they are. We're priority. We're Americans. We're priority. We're priority by association.
Pregnant and a woman that already has a baby.
A really fat woman. A woman who has a baby.
A cripple.
And someone who has a bad back, apparently. Not enough calcium. Calcium deficient.
Apparently someone was washing his hands.
Oh, the guy's back. No, he's not. It's just someone who looks like him.